Hi friends, I'm back with another video. In today's video, first off, I wanted to start by letting you guys know that I have launched 4 new eyelash styles to my website. As you guys may know or may not know, I have my own business and I sew eyelashes. These are the newest styles that I have on right now. This is the style Thrills. If you guys are interested in shopping this style or checking out the other styles that I do have available on my website, I will have all of that information in my description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. But without further ado, today's video is all about taking care of your eyelashes and getting the most wear out of them. I have very sensitive eyes, so I have to be making sure that my eyelashes are clean and bacteria free, because bacteria builds up, and it being near your eyes on the strip lashes, it could cause you an eye infection, and you just don't want that. You don't want to be walking around with a pink eye or any of that eye boogers or anything. So I'm going to show you guys how I personally like to clean up my eyelashes. There is no wrong or right way to clean your eyelashes, so if you guys have any suggestions, recommendations, I think that's the same word, leave them down below in my comment area so that I can, find new ways to clean up my eyelashes. But this has definitely been working out for me. I get almost brand new looking eyelashes after doing this. So if you guys are interested how to clean up your strip lashes and get the most wear out of them, then go ahead and keep on watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Hello my love, we're going to get started today by using the Dawn Ultra Antibacterial Dish Soap. I do like to use this for almost everything, and I'm going to place a little bit into a little bowl. We're going to add some lukewarm water because I just feel like lukewarm water really loosens up the glue at every band. And this is what my eyelashes are looking like. They do have quite a bit of glue at the strip. It's just been building up, girl. I do wear a lot of makeup, so we're gonna dunk them all into the water. And what you want to do is grab each eyelash and just kind of rub them together with your fingers so that you're removing a lot of the mascara or any buildup that has been accumulating on each eyelash. Now, I do want to mention that I probably don't have as much mascara on my eyelashes as other people do, because I do my mascara before applying my eyelashes. I just prefer that. There is no right or wrong way to do that. But I know that there's many people that do like to do their mascara after their strip lashes are on. So just thought I should mention that. Then we are going to let them sink until the bubbles have gone away. This is what the water looks like. And we're going to start removing each eyelash individually from the bowl and just place it onto a clean napkin. But I like to use the end of any tweezers, or you can use an eyelash applicator just to kind of work through each eyelash like I'm doing here. And what this is doing, it's drying up the eyelashes. And then we're going to begin to remove the glue from the band. And as you guys can see, it is coming off pretty easy. It's definitely loosened up quite a bit. I like to leave the eyelashes soaking in that water that you guys previously seen just until the bubbles have just died down. If you leave them any longer, it will loosen up the glue that's holding the whole strip lashes and the hair together. So you don't want to leave them overnight or anything. And once that is completed, I am going to go ahead and use micellar water just to kind of go over it with a Q-tip and loosen up any other glue that maybe was a little bit difficult to come off. I don't know how to say micellar water. I'm using this one from Laura Mercier. Just thought I should mention that, but you can use any micellar water. I know that there's more affordable ones at the drugstore. So yeah, this is what the eyelashes look like. They look almost brand new. And yeah, let's continue working through the rest of the eyelashes. Every eyelash is a different story. Some are a little bit trickier to work with because the glue is a little bit stubborn, and some don't have the mascara fully completely out. So as you guys are seeing, some of the mascara is still coming off as I'm working through the hair strands. So just thought I should mention that sometimes you do need to kind of work the product in the water a little bit more thoroughly. So just make sure that you're working through each lash so that you get the best results. Before I do dunk this eyelash back into the water though, I want to make sure that I'm kind of working through the eyelash glue, just removing it from the band so that I can just place it back in and just let it soak, so that I can continue to allow any glue that's being a little bit stubborn just to loosen up a little bit more. So what I decided to do is go back in with some micellar water and a Q-tip just so that I can go over the stubborn eyelash glue before dunking it one last time. So like I said, we're just going to place this eyelash back into the water, rub it out a little bit, and also just let the glue loosen up. And once we've taken it out, we're going to repeat the same exact process, go through the hair, make sure that there's no mascara coming off onto the paper towel. And we also want to make sure that we work out the rest of the glue that's on the band. And last but not least, we're gonna rinse this eyelash one more time because this one definitely had quite a bit of mascara accumulated. We're gonna rinse it off with clean water, and we're also going to work some of that soap into the lash so that when it's done, it's looking a little bit more like this. We're gonna remove the excess water from the hair one last time, and this is the completed eyelash, looking almost brand new. This one definitely has got a lot of wear out of them. All these eyelashes are from my shop, so if you guys are interested in any of the styles you guys are seeing here, they're available on my online store, which is linked down below in the description box. I'm just, if I see a little bit of glue left, I definitely have to kind of like poke at it a little bit. So I love the fact that I have these pointy tweezers. I'm going to have these linked down below for you guys because I find these to work so good and just like work out the glue. I'm being too detailed, but you guys can see that just a little bit of the glue is actually coming off. So here we go. This is the final look. They look so good. I'm really proud of myself sometimes. From here on forward, I think I'm going to just leave you guys with a bit of music unless I have something else to add into what I'm doing. So yeah, enjoy. If you guys begin to lose some eyelashes from your eyelash strip, then that's completely normal. Don't stress it too much. It's bound to happen. You've let them soak in water, so it loosens up some of the actual glue on the strip lash that holds the hair together. So don't worry about it. Just continue going on, and hopefully your eyelashes are savable, which for the most part, they usually are. And now they are clean, we're placing them back into their original packaging. I'm putting them back into my boxes. If you guys are interested, once again, in shopping any of my eyelash styles, I will have my website linked down below. These here are in the style Beautiful, and they are my best sellers. It's just very lightweight, short, and everyday type of eyelash, so I think that is why they're the best sellers. They're also really wispy and really cute. So if you guys are interested, again, they will be linked down below along with a discount code for all of my YouTube family here. Before I leave you guys, I wanted to share with you guys me pouring out the water, and what you guys will see is just a bunch of buildup in the water. And the color is also kind of off because of the green soap. You guys will see some eyelashes floating around, and that is all mascara buildup and some glue, I believe. Okay, my friends, and that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how I clean up my eyelashes. This is how I have been doing it over the years, and I just find it to be the easiest, and it just really works to loosen up the glue at the eyelash band, and my eyelashes look almost brand new. But if you guys do have any questions for me, don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. If you guys do want to continue to hang out with me, I will link my latest uploads right over here so you guys can check those out. Please give my video a thumbs up if you did find it informative, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!